Imagine creating with complete freedom. You're sketching, painting, building, and exploring, all without fear or hesitation. The colors flow, the shapes take form, and something inside you begins to wake up. It's the voice of your intuition, that quiet guide hidden beneath layers of noise, ready to lead you to places you've never been before. Hi, I'm Moshe Katz, and this is Intuitive Sketching for Curious Minds. For years, I worked as an architect, artist, and educator, blending creativity with spirituality in everything I do. My journey has taken me from architecture studios to natural landscapes, from teaching students to guiding professionals along the way. I discovered that the most profound resource we have is not skills or tools, it's our intuition. It's that inner voice that helps us break through creative blocks and discover new ideas. This course is a creative journey designed to help you reconnect with your deepest resource, your intuition. Together, we'll work with hands-on artistic exercises to tap into your inner voice. We'll explore tools and techniques to awaken your creativity and expand your connection to the world around you. This course is for visual artists, writers, designers, and anyone working in creative fields who wants to discover inspiration and start living and creating from a place of authenticity. It's also for educators and therapists who wish to use creativity as a tool to inspire and connect with others. It's for anyone ready to explore the depth of their inner world through art. Through storytelling, meditations, and hands-on practices, you'll dissolve blockages and open yourself to the free flow of expression. These exercises are about more than creating art. They're about discovering the joy of connecting to your true self. Whether you're a professional seeking deeper inspiration, a teacher wanting to spark creativity in others, or someone passionate about art and self-discovery, this course offers a way to align your intuition with your practice and everyday life. By the end of the journey, intuition won't just be something you listen to. It will be something you live, a way to create, connect, and express your authentic self. Let's uncover the masterpieces within you. So, if you're ready, let's get started.